discontent against British rule. On 12th March 1930, Gandhiji began walking from his ashram at Sabarmati towards the sea. He reached his destination 3 weeks later, taking a fistful of salt as he did and thereby making himself criminal in the eyes of law. When he started the march from his Sabarmati ashram in Ahmedabad, he was accompanied by 80 satyagrahis. All of them were inmates of his ashram. All along the path where they moved, people crowded to offer support to the cause. They continued the journey towards Dandi, which was near about 390 km away. They were joined by many more people as they moved further and further. The procession became larger and larger, and it was called the White Flowing River, since everybody in it were dressed in white khadi. Sarojini Naidu also joined Gandhiji for the march. Many government employees also resigned from their jobs and joined the Satyagraha. The march reached Dandi on 5th of April, when near about 50,000 people were waiting for them. On 6th of April, Gandhiji broke the salt law by taking a handful of salt from the sea. He then declared